Today we're going to be learning some Tinkercad techniques for designing an I-beam. First step we'll need to do is create a new design in Tinkercad. Once you are logged into Tinkercad, click Create New Design. We'll design our I-beam using a few simple boxes. In the Basic Shapes menu in Tinkercad, we'll start by dragging a box out to the workplane. Then click on the corner handles of the object and type in the sizes we want. The box should be 50 millimeters wide and 15 millimeters deep. Once you've typed in those measurements, we'll choose how tall the box is. Click on the box, then click on the handle in the top of the box, type in our measurement. We want our box to be 5 millimeters high. We'll continue making the I-beam by using 2 copies of our resized box. Start by selecting the box, then go up to the menu at the top and choose Duplicate. Once you've done that, use the cone at the top of it to drag that shape up and away. Now we'll make another copy. Click on the box, click Duplicate, and drag that copy away as well. That gives us all the pieces we need to build the I-beam. Next step we'll do is rotate one of those by 90 degrees. So click on one of the copies you made, and you'll see the rotation arrow show up. We'll drag that down to 90 degrees, and now we're ready to start assembling the I-beam. To assemble the I-beam, we'll start by aligning the bottom and middle sections. First, click on the bottom section, then hold down Shift on your keyboard and click on the section we rotated. After we've done that, we'll choose the Align tool from the top menu, and we'll need to use a few of the align options. We'll want to align them centered from the front of the object, as well as centered from the side of the object. To do this, make sure you're clicking on the black circle that matches up with the way that you want the objects to be aligned. Select both of them and click the Group tool, and now both pieces are together as one. Now that we've got the bottom and middle sections, let's add the top of the beam. To do this, we'll select the top of the beam, hold down Shift on your keyboard to select the bottom and middle sections, and go back to our Align tool. We'll want to align these to the center in the front as well, and to the center of each other from the side as well. This will get the objects lined up, but we still need to move the top of the beam down into position. To do this, we'll click on the top of the beam and use the cone to drag the object down, and then when the dimension or measurement appears, go ahead and type in 15 there. After you've typed in the number, hit the Enter or Return key on your keyboard, and it will drop that object down to the right spot. The last step in building our object is to group the top of the beam with the rest of it. To do this, we'll click on the top of the beam, hold down Shift and click on the main part of the beam, and then click the Group button in the top of your menu there. Now that we've built the I-beam, let's name it and save it. Click in the top left corner and rename your I-beam with your name and then the word I-beam. Then click Send To, and click on the down arrow to save an image of your design to your computer. That's it. You've finished the I-beam. Congratulations.